Hi, I'm Rich Fidlow with RF Landscape Construction. One of the things that our company does is we do foundation repair and waterproofing. Now look at this horrible mess here. This is something that you want to avoid if you can. What we're doing is we're excavating right to the footing because water is pouring into the basement, and this waterproofing issue could not be solved by simply installing a French drain on the inside of the basement. So we excavate, then we clean it and repair it and apply this thick rubberized waterproof material on the outside. Then we install a footing drain and a deep well pump. You've got, on the outside of the foundation, you have Sub-Seal 40, which went over top of the thick rubberized waterproofing material. At the very footing, we have a perforated pipe which flows into this deep well, which has a pump in it. And then we have the entire area backfilled with clean gravel and soil separator filter fabric between the gravel and the earth to keep the entire system clean. And then you have more drainage on the top for your downspouts and everything else that can be drained out to the street by gravity. Now there's more drainage jobs here. At any rate, if you're interested in any kind of drainage work or a consultation, just give us a call or an email, and we'll look forward to speaking with you soon.